Right, let me go through. I'm gonna do discounts and orders in this section. Let me show you how to create a discount. You're gonna go here, discount code, right? We're gonna say Happy Meat is the code. Fixed amount, 25. Everyone, sorry, I'm flying through it because I've done it so many times, right? So you can obviously do a percentage, fixed amount, offer free shipping, buy X, get Y. So obviously buy this product, you get that product free. Discount value, because I've put fixed amount here, discount value, £25 off the entire order, or you can do specific products. Minimum requirement, minimum purchase, so they've got to spend at least 50 quid to get £25 off. Customer eligibility, only specific customers, so you can choose who's allowed it. Limit, I'm just going to make this one, so if you go to Happy Me and try and buy something, you're not going to be able to, and any active dates that you want, right? So I'm going to save the discount code. Let's go Happy Meat Inc. It's probably isn't one like that, right? So Happy Meat Inc. is the discount code. It's going to work once, and it's going to give me £25 off my order, right?